Some users of the Beats Flex wireless earphones are facing either a pairing or a connection issues on their MacBook Pro or Air. So it's either not pairing, the name is not showing, spinning wheel when they're trying to connect, you know the drill. Or maybe it's connected, but there is no sound coming out of their bits, although it works fine with their other devices like iPhone. So in this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can fix this problem. First of all, if it's a pairing issue, make sure it's got enough charge and it's not idle on pairing mode. Just take it into pairing mode manually by press and hold on this power button till it shows flashing white LED. If it's still not showing on your Mac, you can turn off Bluetooth and then turn it back on after a couple of seconds to refresh it. And apart from that, just go ahead and give your Mac a simple restart. Sometimes it happens for minor software glitch, a restart will solve that. Now, one user has done all of this, still didn't work. So if you're in his position, I would recommend you to just reset your Beats Flex once. For that, press and hold down this power button and this volume down key together till it shows flashing red LED and then white flashing LED. That means it's on pairing mode. If everything's okay, Beats Flex's name will pop up on your MacBook and just go ahead and click on it to pair them together. Now, what if it's paired but there is no sound on your Beats? The sound is only coming through your MacBook speaker, and maybe it's disconnecting every now and then. So first of all, if your Beats is connected to any other device in the same Bluetooth range, you can just turn off Bluetooth in there or just forget Beats from that device. And also, either from the sound settings on your settings of your Mac, or from the Control Center to sound settings, click on this arrow in the sound settings and make sure your Beats Flex is selected as the output device. And additionally, you can increase the volume if you want so that there won't be any no sound issue anymore. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.